Welcome to Creatober Day 4. So if you want to get the project file from this video, you can become a Patreon member. All of the 31 project files from Creatober will be available for the inner core members on my Patreon channel. So that means that you can get the PSD files, Illustrator files, Cinema 4D files, anything that I use in that project. If you want to learn more, check out the link in the description down below. So for this day, the initial idea was to design a vintage horror movie poster where a giant claw was the main part of the composition, but sadly I couldn't find any good photos to do this. I instead went for a collage with a hand and some daggers behind each finger. I struggled so much with finding a nice color setup after I finished the composition. I just couldn't find anything I was satisfied with, which is why this design is probably my least favorite so far. I also didn't really like the typography on this, but since I was already struggling with this poster so much, I wanted to finish this idea as quick as possible. But this only caused the poster to look more rushed in my opinion. I also experimented with some paint drip images for my ink textures pack, but I also couldn't for the life of me figure out how I should use these. I finally decided on some colors that I liked, but looking back at the poster, I still think this could be improved on. If you have any feedback on the poster, be sure to let me know in the comments so I can improve my work next time. Like I said in the beginning of the video, you can get the project file from this video, so the PSD files, Illustrator files, Cinema 4D files, whatever, on my Patreon channel. There's a link down in the description if you want to check it out. And be sure to check in again tomorrow for the next day of Creatober.